Roosevelt Island Tramway. Did you know that New York City's Roosevelt Island Tramway was placed next to a bridge to prevent collisions with planes? Stanislav Aseev. Did you know that Stanislav Aseev, the author of the torture camp on Paradise Street, was placed in the Izoliatsiya prison for writing Donetsk People's Republic in quotation marks in a social media post? Boquila. Did you know that boquila is the only known plant capable of simultaneously mimicking multiple species? Jorge Barron, politician. Did you know that Jorge Barron, a member of King County Council, was an assistant director on The Mask of Zorro? Play-by-mail game. Did you know that the play-by-mail game Westworld was run from prison? David Bowie. Did you know that David Bowie narrates Prokofiev's Peter and the Wolf in 1978 as a gift for his 7-year-old son Duncan Jones? The Connor brothers. Did you know that the Connor brothers were believed to be two 20-something artists from Brooklyn, but are actually two British art dealers from London? Augustine of Hippo. Did you know that Augustine of Hippo's Harmony of the Gospels is technically not a gospel harmony? Cyprian. Did you know that the 1830 abandonment of Cyprian woman Matusky by her Scottish husband was eventually settled with a dowry payment of £200 sterling? How the Red Sun Rose. Did you know that at least 3 historians asserted how the Red Sun rose to have rendered outdated the scholarly understanding of the Union Rectification movement? Anna Neckams. Did you know that before the age of 30, Anna Neckams performed the dual role of Venus and chief of the Gepopo in Lich's Le Grand Macabre, one of opera's most demanding coloratura soprano parts? Femke. Did you know that Femke is the most common feminine given name of West Frisian language origin in the Netherlands? Humboldt Wagon Road. Did you know that stagecoaches on the Humboldt Wagon Road could make a 400-mile trip in under 4 days? The Mongol Con. Did you know that although only one member was fluent in English, the cast of the Mongol Con learned the entire script before the play's West End theatre run? Gig economy. Did you know that gig in gig economy comes from the slang term for individual appearances by performing arts? Aptostichus barackobamai. Did you know that Aptostichus barackobamai is named after Barack Obama? If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments section.